All right, hell, good morning. Welcome to second semester, everyone. For those of you that have never met me, it's kind of a weird way to introduce myself, I'm not going to lie, but I'm Mr. Westphal, and I'm excited to work with you, whether you're coming back with me for another semester or if didn't have you for a semester. Just a little bit about, most of the Algebra 2 stuff should be the same as your first semester teacher, whoever they were. But if you just want a quick lay of the land here of what my page looks like, I'll have the slides up here with a kind of a brief introduction of what we're doing that day, along with links for joining class. And then I do make these little video directions every day. You don't necessarily have to watch, and once you kind of get the hang of it, it's all the same each day. So in our folder, most days, so maybe I'll go to a different day here. A typical day, you'll just have a video. These are PDF notes that sort of correspond with the video, which you can use for reference purposes. And then the homework assignment will be right in the folder. That's typically what it'll look like. Today is a little different because it's the start of semester, obviously. So I have this lesson introduction. I don't always post them here. I usually just post them right up here. But if I think it's particularly important, then I do put it in the actual folder. And then there's a survey that I have students fill out as a way for me to learn about students. So if you didn't have me first semester, I would ask you to fill that out. It doesn't take super long. And then you can see the lesson for today, along with our homework, is actually a little bit different. It's quizzes. So there are little codes in here. You just go to this link and then enter your code. Please use your actual first and last name. So that may be a little bit different than your first semester teacher, but occasionally we'll have different assignments, and today happens to be one of those days. I do plan to introduce myself a little bit more and to get to know you a little bit more when we get back to school in face-to-face on February 16th. But just as a way to introduce myself, I do surveys with students, and so I loaded up the last survey that I gave, and then here is sort of how students ranked me. These are all student surveys, so you can see the percentages. This is ability to rate students. Classroom management, you can see there. Explaining concepts, I usually score pretty decent on that one. Fairness, also usually score pretty decent, and I hope I am fair, right? Like if you come to me with a situation, be respectful about it, and if I made a mistake on one of your grading things or you need an extension or whatever, just come talk to me about it, whether that's email or eventually in person. Physical strength, this was meant to be a joke. You can see we got all sorts of rival shaggy power level. I'm not sure what that means, but pace of class, I sometimes feel like I go really slow, but overall I get ratings as about just right. So I'll try to give you these surveys and stuff too, so you can help help dictate what goes on in class. Things I do well. All right. Some people prefer my jokes. Most often you'll find my jokes to be pretty terrible. I taught middle school for like 7 years, and then now I have the sense of humor of a 12-year-old, so that's probably not a good thing. But so you can see that. The mind games, all right, I'm not sure what that means, but anyways, how I could improve. Louder, and so here's like a good one too, like tell me this early on. If I'm not loud enough you can't hear me, let me know. So my friends, I usually, if classes are good enough behave wise, I'll let them pick their own seats. A little tougher. Yeah, corny jokes. Some people like the jokes. Oh no, this is how I can improve. Okay. Anyways, that's just a little bit about me, and hopefully we'll get to know each other more when school gets going here on the 16th. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Let me know if you have any questions. Just send me an email, or obviously in the Google Meet you can ask them. Have a good day.